Airports, love them or hate them. If you're traveling, you can't avoid them, and if flying makes you anxious, you're not alone. But today, I've got you covered. Imagine this, 30 minutes till your flight and 200 people ahead of you. Skip the chaos with TSA pre-check or global entry. It's a game changer. Don't pay $6 for candy. Pack your own snacks and bring an empty water bottle. Refill inside, save money, stay energized. Outlets are a hot commodity at airports. A good power bank means no more outlet hunting and no dead phone during boarding. Travel with a fully charged power bank, 10,000 milliamp hours or more. Airplanes get cold, so dress in layers. I always bring a hoodie, thick socks and switch to glasses because dry air and contacts don't mix. Travel isn't just about getting there, it's how you feel along the way. Prepare smart, stay calm, and let your journey begin before takeoff. Check in online, wear slip-on shoes, download offline entertainment, and carry lip balm and hand sanitizer. Drop your favorite airport hack in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a tip. Safe travels! Thanks for flying with Gohar Khan.